Since yesterday, the price of the gold has risen in value, and we can see that the price yesterday continued the bullish momentum that has started with this candle 2 days ago at 2813.70, resistance level where the price has made a bullish breakout, continue to rise in value, and yesterday the price has reached 2859.00, a resistance level that I created by using Fibonacci extensions, and then also the price has reached to 878.61, the second resistance level, and it has bounced in from this resistance level. Now we can see that the price has gone outside of this uptrend channel, which means a significant bullish momentum that has been active on the market. Yesterday, when the price has formed also bullish breakouts, yesterday started from here all the way to here, there was some 1 hour time frame and 4 hour time frame, a resistance level that has been broken, and that has been shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. They have received information when the breakout happened and also what was the target. So what we can expect today: first of all, this is a bullish breakout that has been formed on this daily resistance level, and also the price has gone outside of this bullish channel. So this means there is a high probability that the price could reverse back down slightly just to test this previous resistance, now acting as a support, and this will be a confluence of support because we have a horizontal line acting as a support and we have this uptrend channel resistance line acting. So what we can expect after that: when the price forms a bearish breakout below that, some of the levels on the 1 hour time frame, because it's a small level going from here to the first support level, so there is also potential that we can trade that from here to there. So what will happen? Will the bearish breakout happen or not? This is something that we need to watch closely every hour to see will the price make a bearish breakout below 1 hour support level. And also there is a high probability that the price will not return back down, but it will continue to rise in value, reaching again to 878.61 resistance level. This is a bullish breakout indicating further rise in value, so there is high probability that the price will continue to rise in value, and this is something that I am expecting today, that the price will try to reach again to 878.61, except if there is some kind of a bearish breakout on 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame, that will suggest further decline in value, going even further down below this area of support, which is confluence of support. So for now, on the lower scale, I'm expecting that the price will try to reach to 878.61. This is for the daily time frame, and from there we will see what happens. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above this resistance level, continue to rise in value, where the next levels will be visible on the higher price levels, or the price will stall here, going down and bouncing between these two price levels? This is something that we need to watch closely and see what happens every hour during the day. This will be shared with the traders inside the premium analysis. So if you can, feel free to join the premium analysis, where you receive simple notification when there is a breakout with a target on the markets. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.